Mr. Doctor, great, Tom, good job. Let's put something here.
Let's okay, Doc. Let's okay, Mister. We have this play-doh. Let's open.
What play-doh is it?
It's for where we come to the hotel.
Okay, can we see?
Yes.
Let's see.
Oh, the mouth.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Show us. Wow.
Look at his face.
Are you a dentist?
Yes.
No?
This. Doctor.
You are a doctor.
Yeah, I like these covers. Oh, I like it.
Wow.
It's not working.
What is it?
Look it.
It's a dentist too, yeah?
I like it. Look it. Look it. Very, very nice.
I will
look
check.
at this.
Wow,
Teeth.
it's a miracle.
Clean instructions. Let's open this.
And who is this one? Old man, yeah?
Yeah, old man. Look at this.
Wow.
Look at it. Just like in Spanish.
Can I show it?
Yes.
Can I see?
I see doubts of bad dreams were the hard games.
Really?
Really, and I got scared.
This is the mouth? Huh?
Yes. Open it, open it. Open it. My dad, he says you're going to
Wow.
the dentist.
And this one?
This one is for the
You can build with play-doh?
yes, instructions.
Great.
Ooh.
Gertit, look.
Look at the Mr. Man. Hey, I said no. Hey, let's open the disc.
Yes, I have to fix first. This one.
Hey, you know what I'm doing.
Okay. Okay, take it, Sonny. You can try.
Thank you.
Give it a try. I can open.
It's working. Nice job. And you are Steve, having no kitchen neighbor.
And this one?
It's Grish. Like Grish.
Wow, it's an old man. Okay.
Yeah, it's your own man. Maybe it's creepy.
It's play-doh.
Yeah, it's Play-Doh. Your hands is called Play-Doh. Hey!
What is this, Gertit?
I don't know.
We can build new things. Are you a dentist?
Yes.
You are a doctor?
Yeah, what? Hey! Why are we not fixing?
Okay,
Let's fix it first.
I'll try Gertit.
Hey! Let's take some Play-Doh teeth.
Yes, play-doh cheese. Yes, these ones. Hello, Mr.
my-
Doctor.
Hello.
Can I build some teeth for your patient?
Wait, but I ate some Nutellas because I'm so crazy boy.
Nutella.
Yeah, I know how. I know. He says that very,
Okay.
very strong creature.
What's happened if you eat Nutella?
If I eat Nutella, I'm crazy like eating Nutella.
And you were to the
Oh, I
doctor?
like the calendar.
You were in trouble with
Yeah. With my mouth.
Yes.
With my left.
Okay, let's
I
give it a
like
try.
that.
Get it? See? You can see?
Yes. Ooh, calendars.
Wow.
Hey, boy.
Hey, Sonny.
What?
Have a look here.
Very nice.
Alright.
You want brushing your teeth?
No, he has no teeth. Still, we have to make for him. So new.
Yes, because it's crying. I like crying.
What is this now?
I don't know, it's a teeth.
It's a teeth.
Let's take his mouth.
New one. We
Yeah.
have another one. Can you
Hey,
put?
guys,
Yeah. Oh. No, here. Get it.
here.
On this part, yeah. Great. Don't
Hey.
touch too much. Yeah.
I took it too. Hey,
Okay. Can you build?
0.
Great.
I said 0. There's no line number 0. I like number 1. 1, 0.
Get the banana.
Get it. Hey, no.
Hey, I'm serious.
First you have to put
You
here.
serious? I'm serious.
Yes, I am.
No, I'm serious with you.
Really?
Yes.
Let's recheck.
I got poopy.
Oof.
Don't say that because it's scary. Fireman pooping pants with the creepy game. That
Get it? It's new. It's new teeth.
Hey, the people you can say, come on, the follow video is scaring my kids. I guess so that.
Can you help me, doctor?
Yeah.
No, have a sec, please.
Yes.
Just give me a sec. Build some new teeth.
Yes.
Wow.
Hey, there's a game, Doctor, where the people's heard. We're turned on to music shells. Like music shells. Or crazy music. And to turn on to the lights. Hey, there's no more Play-Dohs.
Yes, there are.
On the final vision.
Get it?
What? What is
Try,
it?
give it a try. Yes. Good. More. Now it's okay. Let me check it.
Do you want some?
You are doing the same thing. What have
The
done
same?
your doctor with you?
Yes. Hey, my friends, that little crazy doctor, he's taking some blood.
Really?
Yeah.
What has she done with you?
He hurt me.
Really?
That was bad
She
mess.
fix it.
Yes.
Okay.
I know.
Hello, Mr. Doctor. Can you check these passion teeth, please?
Yes.
What do you think? Is it? Oh no.
Okay.
Huh? Is it any problem?
That's okay, man.
Is any problem?
Yes, but it's okay, man.
Okay.
Eyebrows is cheap.
We must fix them. No, not so much. Be
So
careful.
much.
No, first we have to fix them. Get it? Okay.
You all much have a big.
Hey, doctor, your patient
I
is
do it. What?
sick.
It's sick.
He needs your help.
He needs crying.
Okay.
I do this. I do this.
Let's do it.
Ah.
No. Let me do it. Let me try first. You can do it.
Hey. Doctor. He says you doctor you. It seems that you have
Get it?
something. Oh my goodness. It's something evil teeth. No alien do us. The creepy. To eat something creepy. To eat something. I brought you teeth broken. Don't take a blood.
No. Okay.
You will.
Okay. Can you fix this one, Gertit?
Yes, I fix you. I know you.
Mr. Doctor, great, Tom. Good job. Let's put something here.
Let's okay, Doc. Let's
Get
okay,
in.
Mr. Man.
Oh.
Hey, neighbor, what?
Look what's happened there. We have to fix another
What is
one.
this?
We have to fix this one. Do it.
Okay.
You can do it. Try. Doctor, can you help me, please? Your patient is sick. No. Wrong
Oh
side.
my goodness, I'm crazy, my friend. Don't you think?
Wow, let's do more. Huh? What do you think, doctor?
I think actually he's going your worm in your mouth.
Is it okay, your patient?
Yes, I don't like worms.
Okay, can you fix this one?
Yes.
There is a trouble. There is a big
In
problem.
a problem.
I'll do it something. No, in this one. Please.
With the brother.
No.
This?
No. Oh.
For what? I do this. I do
Okay.
this.
Help me to fix. Good. It's good.
It's good.
Yes. Let's redo. Oh, okay. Another one.
Hey, look at roots and my teeth.
Get it.
Yeah.
What have you done, Sonny?
I eat it with my play-doh.
No, don't try it again.
It's nasty. Is it like a poopy play-doh?
Oh.
We're talking about the smell poopy. Ah. Farting.
Okay.
Farting poop.
Who?
Hey doctor, I get you some.
Sonny,
Look at
let's retry something else for your patient.
Hey, I hurt your legs.
Oh.
I think so.
Wait, I have to do
I'm
something.
possible.
Get it.
I think so.
Oh, so big. Oh.
Hey doctor, now.
Hey, doctor, let's recheck.
All your mouth again.
Open your mouth again.
Okay,
Let's
guys.
see your friend. What Gertit has done. Huh? Mom, what do you think?
You think actually it's good?
Yes. I like.
My dad says, do you want to play with the Play-Doh? What is that?
Okay.
Oh my goodness, seems that possible.
Wow. And now, Gertit,
I'm gonna make some rainbow.
look what you need.
I'm
Gertit.
gonna make some. Okay, guys.
Wow.
There you go.
Good.
Goodbye, mister. Have a nice day.
Have a
And
nice.
don't eat.
Yeah.
Talking about, bro.
Wow. Look, Sonny,
What?
your patient's mouth seems much better. Like.
Whoa, warning.
Morning.
Before I think, follow the warning from the phrase.
Wow. Look,
For the
Sonny.
pizza, where I see this policeman.
Look now,
He
Sonny.
has a mouth fist.
Ha. What's a funny
Let
mouth?
me see, let me see.
What's a funny mouth?
Looks like a bunny mouth.
You can check it now, please.
Oh, he has red teeth.
Yeah.
He has blood.
Hey, doctor. Can you fix the problem?
Yeah,
With
maybe
this
some
one? With
blood.
this kid, please? Can
Yes.
you do it, Sonny?
This kid?
Hmm?
Yes.
Check it.
I take you some blood.
Ooh.
Bro, what are you talking about? I take some blood with you.
Wow.
Take it out. Hey, don't be scared, man.
Don't be scared. Okay, can you help me, Sonny? Here one.
Make a spinach.
Hmm.
Make a spinach because it's
Wow.
crying.
Ooh.
Thanks.
Why?
Yes.
Oh. Get it?
Okay, doctor. I have this something special.
Get it?
Hey, you crazy doctor?
Let me to help your patient. Oh.
Ouch, my friends. My blood is came out with my dad.
Let me see what is happening there.
I
Mommy.
don't want.
Woo. Now everything seems much better like before. Doctor,
What the?
this
Shit.
is
I
We
do it.
need it. We have to
I do it. I do it.
remove it. You can take it out. Take it. Wait. Oh no. No. I have a lot of beans.
got it.
Oh no.
You have a lot of beans.
Dentist, be careful.
What?
Be careful, please.
You have a one blood. Look at it. Very, very creepy. You see it? Oh my goodness. Very, very special.
Can I help you, doctor?
Stop. I do this. Look at this.
Can I see you with this? Oh, big problem. I have to wash your mouth. Doctor, let me take your teeth out.
Ouch.
Wow.
I have blood.
Got its teeth. Let's see, kids, what's happened to Gertit. It's totally damaged. Oh.
It's a play-doh.
No, it's just a joke. Hey, oh no, no, no.
Again.
Okay.
Hey!
Huh.
It's moving!
Okay, Gertit. Say bye to your friends.
Bye.
And
Thanks.
don't forget to subscribe our channel. Get it?
Subscribe channel.
Yeah?
Clips is up. We're gonna
Oh.
see up there where I punch it with my friends. Look it. Hey, stop. Ow. Now hurting me. Ah. Ew. I get it. Okay, guys.
Okay, Gertit.
What? Look it. I teach you some kitchen.
Bye, Gertit.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for